here's my updated peonies. I feel so sad because in the beginning the peony it was super good. It was that the buds is really healthy. As they get older, look, they turn into like brown. I don't know. I think bugs do that, like that one. And some of them it open nice. I mean, it blooms pretty nice. But this one in here, I have no idea. It blooms, but they're not the prettiest. Yeah. See, you can tell that one's supposed to be white. Look at that. Something with them. You see, look at this guy. See, I put this in the pot, the one under the apple tree. I put it in there, and it looks so pretty. They're blooming, and they're kind of hanging plants. Yay! It's one here. Yeah, it's been raining last night. That's why they're dry. So sad. But look, they're beautiful. And this one here. It's about to open. They look pretty. When the sun come out, probably they'll be open. So the other day I cut some flowers and brought it in, especially these big ones that I cut it like whatever. Because they were so big and they are very heavy this when they get wet. The sides niya, kind of sides area. This one here, oh that one's pretty. Didn't open. This is my indoor plant. My indoor Mandela. This one is a one I had them for a long time. And I have a Thai jasmine. Their smells good. Yeah, they're just in the pot. I take them in every year. What you doing? Look, there's a squirrel. Hi, good morning. Don't jump on me. Oh, kick your butt. It's scary. Bye. Be nice. Okay. Here's a squirrel. In this corner here, yeah, I did transform here. So my potted plants from inside, I brought in here, and they're under the tree. So you won't get to, sunburn. Yeah, part of my potted plants from inside here, and I have a lot of my exotic lily in this corner. We have a lot of buds. This one here, I have few of my bonsai adenium. Yeah, this is bonsai adeniums. They lost their leaves, but they didn't grow more. And some of my propagating coleus. That one's my avocado. I need to transplant them in the big pot. This one here is my and chicks. Yeah, they come back every year. They are perennial. They look so pretty. I have few in there. More propagating coleus. And that's my rosemary. I have them for 5 years. 5 years. I always use this when I'm cooking. This thing looks so pretty. I dropped. Oh, I dropped my phone. Oh, let's go this way. Okay. Ow. Ow. Okay. More of my potted plants. That one there. They're from inside. And this is my sad calamansi or kamundi. But they're growing new leaves. Hopefully will still survive for me. I have them since 2013. Okay. And some of my flaxes is my candy cane flaxes. They are short. Adult, Canada. It's my lily of the valley. They're pretty. This is my inherited cactus. This is from my friend. put them outside once they get nicer. Yeah, those are very picky. Put them in there because I have this one kid, Eli. He loves to go in places that is very, full of plants. He likes to go there, so I do not want to, so that he won't come that way. So yeah, I use that as fence. This area here is kind of sad because this is next to my house, next to my house. And I have here is my yarrow. This is different color yarrow. I collected it. They're pretty. So it was yellow, pink, and red, I think, and white. So I want this area here is full of yarrow. They are pretty now. Yes, on this side. There we go. And that's my milkweed. I love milkweed. So my house, but my backyard, there's so many milkweed right now because I like it because of the pollinators and it's good. Some of my butterfly pollinator flower came back, and that one is mine. Before that, can't remember that one. I did that, right, planted, and from my original one that was down there. Those are from the seeds, French marigold from the seeds. And this one is, can't remember the name. Some of my bachelorette. Yeah, they've been here. I have quite a bit every time, but I think I pulled some of it because yeah, they get so wild. What they are doing? One more bachelorette, more marigold. That one, I don't know what's the name of that, but that's a very pretty. You can use this in a salad. It's like a lettuce, but it's a little sour, but I love the foliage. And this one is my oysters. Oyster pot or cradlemosis. I repot them from indoor. They got sunburned, but they will come back. And this one is my rice snapdragon. Pretty. It came back. This is from last year. Last year I planted it. I planted it in here and it came back. And look, it's so pretty. Yeah, I can't even believe it came back. I thought this is not going like that. Since it's next to the house, probably that's why they did not die. Yeah, in this corner here. So very pretty though.